Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can upload or add photo in Canva resume in mobile. So at first you want to head over to Canva. Now let's say this is your resume. To upload any sort of photo, you just need to click on gallery at the bottom right over here and you'll see all of the photos. If the photo is in a different folder, you could click on download over here and all the folders in your mobile phone will come up. Just select the folder and select the photo. Let's say this is the photo we want to use. So just click on this and you want to click on add to page. As you can see, it's been added like this. All you need to do is drag it over here and put it. As you can see, this gets fitted. But what about if you don't have this frame thing? What do you do in that case? In that case, what you need to do is go to elements and then you want to search for frame, just like so, and you'll see all of the frames. Now if you want to add square a square with smooth edges, circle, it's up to you. Let's say you want to add a photo that is square, so you just put the square, adjust it wherever you want it to go. I'm just gonna do it just for the sake of it. I'm not properly aligning it. Then go to gallery, select the photo, add to page again, and then you just drag it over there. As you can see, the photo gets automatically adjusted, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.